the world's most perfect sandwich. It is a peanut butter and marshmallow sandwich. So, you literally need 2 pieces of bread, some peanut butter, and some mini marshmallows. That's it. So, like I said, I got my helper, and my kids are running around, so it's crazy in the house today. But let's get to cooking. Oh, hey, I need the knife. All right, so it says, spread a thin layer of smooth peanut butter on one side of 1 slice of bread. And if I could open up the bread, it would be beneficial. I'm working on it. I'm getting it. Hold on. She's going to eat the marshmallows. So, I've got my bread, and I got my smooth peanut butter, and it says to spread a thin layer of peanut butter. I don't know about y'all, I like a lot of peanut butter on my sandwich, but this says a thin layer, so spread a thin layer of peanut butter on one side of 1 slice of bread. So, done. All right, and then it says to place a generous portion of mini marshmallows on top. Now this bag of marshmallows has been eaten on all day. So is that a generous portion of mini marshmallows? Evidently we needed 1 less marshmallow. So and then it says to broil on high until marshmallows are golden brown. Do not leave unattended as fire may result. Richard, have you caused a fire? I think you have at one point in time, or somebody has. So let's stick this in the broiler. It doesn't say to put the other slice of bread in the broiler, so I'm just gonna get one more. I know. I'm gonna stick this in the broiler. It's okay. Y'all, this is how my day has gone. Okay, there's your marshmallows. Okay, so I'm gonna actually get that off of there, and we're gonna go over here. All right, guys, so it says to broil them until the marshmallows are golden brown. And then it says, do not leave unattended as fire may result. And you top with the second piece of bread. And you enjoy. Y'all, look at that. Is that even like, I can't be healthy. But my son said he wants to be the one to try it. So, I secretly want to try this as well. So, there we go. Come here.
More, please.
What do you think? Is it the world's most perfect sandwich? Good job, Mr. Richard. If you liked the video, make it with a thumbs up. What else are you supposed to do?
Leave a comment, I think.
Leave a comment and
Subscribe
to
Sunday Potluck.
there you go.